Have you ever wondered how to remove the back of a Steelcase Amia chair? OfficeLogix Shop is more than delighted to provide you with a series of video tutorials dedicated to the amazing Amia chair, one of Steelcase's finest. Let's get started. Begin by removing the bottom rubber rail clip. Grab the bottom fabric, feel for the rubber rail, and then pull it down until it completely comes loose. As you can see here, it's completely separated. Next, you're going to unhook the chair's back by pulling upward. Notice how these hooks are in an upward position? They're designed this way to only allow movement in a vertical direction when removing it. This is also important to note, as you will have to reattach it later on. You can also remove the live back lumbar support in case you want to clean it or replace it. Simply reinsert it by sliding it down along the rails. Make sure to test the lumbar support by moving it up and down the rails before reattaching the back. To reinstall the back, start by attaching the bottom rubber rail. Ensure it's centered so that you have an equal length of fabric on both the left and right sides. As you start pushing to secure the rail, you'll hear a clicking noise as it clips in. Here's a pro tip. If you're having difficulty clipping the rail in using your hands and fingers, needle nose pliers can help you secure it more easily. Next, rehook the back onto the clips. Here, you need to pay extra attention to the alignment of the clips and the hooks. The clips on the back should be perfectly aligned with the hooks on the chair. Start from the bottom clips and work your way to the top, then click them in. To ensure that you did it properly, check the edges of the fabric along the back. If you see no major gaps, then you've successfully done it perfectly. With that, you're ready to use your Steelcase Amia chair again. Please like and subscribe to keep up with our latest videos.